How to turn off contacts on Instagram. So now go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Then tap your profile icon, which is found on the lower right corner. Now tap the menu icon located on the upper right corner. Then select Settings. Then tap Account. So in here, you will find this option, Contact Syncing. Just tap this option. Then tap the toggle button beside Connect Contacts to disable this feature. Or you may also go to your Settings application and then scroll down until you find Apps. Then search for Instagram by using the search icon, which you can also see on the upper right corner. Then tap Permissions and ensure that the contacts permission is disabled. And so that is how you turn off contacts on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.